And I don't see what they happen, Nabi. All these foreign airlines don't gang up against Air Peace. There is a serious price battle going on between Air Peace and other foreign airlines in Nigeria. Just as at last week, if you want to go from Nigeria to London, Air Peace was the cheapest airline. But today, now as I'm speaking to you right now, all these foreign airlines have ganged up. They have reduced their price, and they are now putting Air Peace at the most expensive airline now that you can take from Nigeria to London. And this is also surprising. This makes Nigerians to be surprised. I wonder what they were doing all this while until Air Peace came and reduced the price. Before they all started reducing the price, now they have even put their own price lower to what Air Peace is charging. You see? Now, I just took out my time to make my own research to know if it is actually the truth. This is what I found out. If you want to travel from Nigeria to London now, as at maybe your date is 19th of June, this is the price. Air Peace is charging $600 and something, while British Airways, that was the most expensive before, I think before they were charging up to $1,000+. Now their own price, now they have reduced it to $400 and something. Qatar Airways, that was also a $1,000+ before, their own now is now in $500 and something. You see, they are keeping Air Peace now as the most expensive. Now Ethiopia airline, all these airline I'm calling now, they were charging $1,000+ before. That was before Air Peace launched his own flights to London. Now Ethiopia airline was charging $1,000+ before. Their own price now, they have reduced it to $500 and something. They are now keeping Air Peace as the most expensive. And I know what they are trying to do. They are trying to make Air Peace to be the most expensive so that Nigerian can stop focusing on Air Peace. And they will now fall back to them. And then they will now bench Air Peace. And once they have succeeded, them now will now increase the price again. They are trying to play a game on us. I just pray Nigerian will be wise this time around. Watch this video and listen to what the CEO of Air Peace, Allen Onyeama, said concerning the price battle.
That you probably will get on some other airlines is what Air Peace is giving. And so that the question is that those who will say, Mr. Onyeama, don't rejoice too yet, because what you have just raised is those experts who have said, we've seen other Nigerian-owned airlines who have gone through this route and frustrated out of the market. The same strategy is being employed right now by some of those foreign airlines to drop the price so that people will now leave Air Peace and go to those foreign airlines. Are you aware of those tactics?
Of course. It's a very devilish conspiracy. All of a sudden, people are airlines are underpricing. That is below the cost.
Just in the space of 1 month.
Yes, not up to a month. One other airline was advertising $100. Another one $305, $350. This, if you fill up the entire aircraft and carry people on the wings, it's not even enough to buy your fuel. So why are they doing that? Their governments are supporting them. Because Nigeria has been a cash cow for everybody. Their governments are supporting them.
They come here, they fleece the country, and they even have opportunity to fly just around the country.
Yes.
The way you will not, as a
doing their country.
You're not doing that.
So their governments are supporting them to do this and take Air Peace out. The idea is to take Air Peace out. And the moment they succeed in taking Air Peace out, Nigerians will pay 20 times over. Once again, it's going to happen if, God forbid, they're able to take Air Peace out. Because what is happening now is scary. And of course, even in Gatwick where you are you given 100% cooperation? Let me tell you this. On the first day, on the inaugural flight out of London, 24 hours to the time, they moved us to another check-in area, other than the place assigned to us. The place they gave us, the carousel was not working. So when you check in people, you need to manually carry the load to go to 50 meters away to go and drop it somewhere else, just to delay you. No other airline faced that.
Frustrate your operation.
Exactly, no other airline faced that.
And the fact that
they can even use your ground handlers.
They didn't even allow you to. They didn't permit you to land in Heathrow. to operate in Heathrow.
Of course. That one is, they will tell you no slot. Even Gatwick, when we got to Gatwick, we now said, okay, let us take Gatwick. They say, oh, no slot available. When we pushed and pushed, they gave us scattered slots. Today, 3 p.m., next day, 2 a.m., the next day. Who does that? So Festus Keyamo had to wedding, went to London with us, and to warn them, if you continue these stupid, foolish acts, the government of Nigeria will surely retaliate. And this is from the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We will retaliate.
So the government of Nigeria has solidly backed Air Peace.
Of course. I said that before the President during the IFTA. That is the truth. The government of Nigeria is behind Air Peace, making sure they didn't. But the government has.
Now, what is happening between Air Peace and all these foreign airlines now is just a proof that before now, all these foreign airlines have been using us for fools. They have been making Nigerians for no reason. You see? So if Air Peace did not come and reduce this price now, all these foreign airlines will still hang their price at $1,000+. But just because now they know that all of them are now rushing down to bring down their own prices now. Because they want to make Air Peace now to now be the most expensive, and Nigerians will stop using Air Peace. And you know what they are trying to do? They want to draw Nigerians out from Air Peace. Then they will hit us again with high price. That's what they are trying to do. So if you're a Nigerian, do not fall for this cheap trap. Because if they succeed in what they are trying to do, if they succeed, they will still increase the price again. Just go and mark it down.